Right, to the back cave.
We've got an exciting project downstairs, which I'm pretty sure you already know what it is. I've been talking about it endlessly for the last, I don't know, what, 10 months perhaps, something like that. So it's finally here.
Delivery, yeah.
It has. So, as you are well aware of, this is going to be a process 6-7 part. We'll see how it goes. Might be 6, might be 7. Let's roll with it. Part process of building the M3.
That, knowing you.
There's a distinct possibility it might turn into a 50-part series, but either way, today the first line of parts going on that car. So we've got a handful of bits and pieces. So we've got the Downstar titanium, burnt titanium
kit,
fasteners and kit. Then we've got the Armaspeed carbon intake kits. Then we've got our carbon engine cover, fuse box. That's going to be the first part. So we're going to get those bits knocked out, and slam panel, almost forgot that bit. So Armaspeed obviously produced their own slam panel, so we're going to put that, and then we're also going to show ours as well. So everything's downstairs for you ready.
Yeah, everything engine bay.
So that's it. I've done the hard work in getting it out of the packaging.
Yeah.
It's now your hard work to actually get it
it's
installed.
only like 10 minutes to go then.
Exactly that, yeah. So I'm going to enjoy my nice air-conditioned office, and you're going to do some really nice work of stroking and touching some carbon fibre.
Yeah.
That sound like a plan?
Sounds like a plan.
All right, cool. Well, have fun, and yeah, don't mark the paint.
Oh, okay. I thought it needed polishing.
We'll leave that one for later in the week.
Okay.
That's part 12. Cool. See you in a few hours.
Okay. Sweet. So, as you may have seen us discuss, some lovely shiny parts. One off, or first in-house of burnt titanium effect Downstar securing kit. That's the dress up and the bolts themselves. Engine cover, slam panel, fuse box cover, and a nice shiny new Armaspeed kit. Let's get into it.
Right, so I've been called down here from the office because you've finished, supposedly. Is that right?
Yeah, been for a test drive. used the rear tyres.
Excellent, excellent. So it's all done. I've not seen actually under the engine bay. So go on, flip it up. Let's have a look. That looks absolutely insane, doesn't it?
Yes.
Wow.
I'd say it's of danger of actually being finished, unlike most of any other projects we've had that have always found something extra.
That is absolutely awesome. That looks so good, doesn't it? I think this was the right choice. I was, guys, all the little details as well. Is there others hidden away here?
There's a few.
There's another one there.
All the little ones
there,
tucked around the bonnet catch and stuff.
God, everywhere you look, burnt titanium.
100+ pieces of.
That's incredible.
So, yeah.
The guys have just absolutely knocked this one out. It's amazing how just a few bolts and fasteners and fixings can just change.
Pretty much anything that's visible they've done.
Yeah.
So,
no, that looks absolutely insane.
Yeah,
that
really
looks
tops it
really
off.
good. And what I like is there's a little bit of difference. Each one of these looks slightly handmade. That looks good. So engine bay, excuse me, is now complete. So we've got the engine cover, fuse box, slam panel, carbon Armaspeed air intakes, and to finish it off, the Downstar titanium burnt finish kit.
Yeah.
God, just everywhere you look, there's just I can see more now down here.
Yeah, there's a couple
like
hiding
that.
on the slam panel under there. Yeah.
Savage. That looks absolutely
Tucked
amazing.
in with some of my blood, sweat, and tears.
Blood, sweat, and beers, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I've not done the beers yet.
No, that's true. That's what's going to happen now. That looks amazing.
Oh, sweet. So we're done.
We're done for now. You're right.
Okay.
But that's part 1 done. So that was the
done.
first thing to do. It's now on to part 2. So I think we both know what that is. Or do you know what it is? Don't think you know, do you?
We'll find out in the next
We'll find
video,
out. Yeah,
won't we?
well, that's it. Join us on the next video and we'll get to part 2. Let's go have some beers.
Beers.